Hello guys, hope you're doing well. This video is quick update what happened to one of my miners. Before that, I just want to show you the prices real quick on the KS0 899, KS1 74.99, and then KS2. Where's our KS2? 13,999. KS3 obviously is going to be most expensive, 45,999, and then our KS3L is 23,999. So yes, the prices went down. However, is it worth buying still the KS0? We'll talk about it later, but let's take a look on my miner 2. So on Kaspa-pool this night, my miner 2 disappeared when I checked in the morning, and I go like, hey, what happened? So I went back to my miner, and looks like it switched to the different pool, which was preset when the my KS0 came on the hump pool, which I didn't erase the last one. I was thinking just to save it, to try it out, and guess what? Now I tried it. Never mined on this pool before. It's a hump pool. Maybe you guys, some of you mine for a long time on this. I wonder what's your results, but however, I kind of happy overall. So I went back to hump pool, type in my mining address, and here we are. I mined 443 since roughly the time here is not correct, so it's about 3 hours back. So from about 3 o'clock in the morning it started kind of picking up. By 4 o'clock it went up all the way, and then it's about 2 now. So roughly from 3 or 4 o'clock it's been mining on this pool. So it's not 24-hour yet, so it's hard to judge, but the hash rate's kind of stable. They're a little more stable than the Kaspa-pool. It's a little bit more going up and down. And then on my miner, there is 0 of the rejected shares, which is very surprising. And then all of the Kaspa-pool has a little bit of rejection, which is low percentage, 0.26, 0.18, and 0.15%, which is very low, but still the hash rate's kind of going from 50 to 130 and so forth. So it's a little kind of wavy compared to this pool, a little bit more stable around 100. That's what I like a little bit better, but it probably doesn't matter as long as we have good rewards. I guess the bottom line is this: the earning an hour, last 24 hours, and right here. So we'll see what we're going with our Kaspa rewards. So that's most important, and the payout once we mine full 24 hours. I'll try to update real quick on that. You can leave me a comment if you guys tried that pool and if you like it, if it's better. It would be nice to know. Anyways, that's a quick update. That's what happened. But then I was like, hey, shoot, my miner probably died. When I look like, and it's not here. It's just a little dramatic, but then it's good. It's still mine on the other pool. Yes, probably lost some time, maybe an hour before it's kind of get back in shape here on the new pool. You know, it took about an hour to kind of hit it up there to 100 from 13 gigahash, you know. Nevertheless, look at the price for Kaspa today. It went up to 2.7 cents. It's around 2.6, 6.7. So still a higher, but 0.1 cent than yesterday, or a little more, plus minus. Anyways, that's helped a little bit on our rewards. And however, look at the pool rate. What I noticed here on Kaspa, 20% unknown, 177 on mining pool stats for Kaspa, and then on our pool bay is 1.81, all the way 1.81. Sorry if you can see that. Have to shoot with my phone because I don't have my computer set up yet for screen recording, so that's coming. So sorry about that on the video. And then my hash rate on 2 miners was showing like 1.82, just a little bit. So it's fluctuating, but think the main part is the difficulty grows up with this very dramatically. Let's see if we can switch to the hash rate difficulty network. And then the pool bay doesn't show anything. I guess there should be another network difficulty on 2 miners. Let's see. Yeah, it is going high. So we are at 1.5, and let's say a month before we were 1.14. So it went up quite a bit. It's more than 30%. I want to say it's about 40% on the difficulty. So yeah, that's why we see this stats going down, and our ROI, back to my sheet, is looking pretty bad. So we are about 930. We are around 930. I think on the hashrate.no miner KS0 showing on Kaspa 948. I don't know how accurate it changes, pretty much like every few minutes. So we can rely exactly on this number, but this constantly changing, and I think averages right now is around 930 Kaspa a day, but it's gonna drop every day. If we think 3%, that's gonna be a dramatic drop in the next 10 days. We'll see it probably closer to 600 Kaspa or even less. Like I said, it's probably gonna go to 500. However, the our Kaspa went up a little bit, almost 0.27. So let's do 0.266 right now, and as soon as we plug in new numbers, the ROI changes as well. So will I buy another Kaspa miner? I was thinking about it. I thought, like, let's get just 5. Good number 5. I'll get another one. It will be only 1,300. Even if I have to pay duties, it's still gonna be less expensive than my last one by around $70. Just because those two were shipped together, so I saved on the shipment. However, ROI today, if it comes, even today, I'll be like 53 days ROI of today value and today hash rate, but it's gonna take probably 2-3 weeks. So if we plug in those 2-3 weeks here, which we did before, and drop this to 500 rate in 3 weeks, right? So if we predict that roughly, and we go here to, let's say we mine this 14,000 Kaspa on each miner, so I'm gonna have ROI left on this to 50 days, 73 days, and 98 days. So basically, I'm gonna almost start from scratch, and since the rate's gonna drop even more after KS3 gonna show up, this is gonna be crazy. That's like I said, if we go down and drop to 30 or 20 Kaspa a day, let's try 30 with today Kaspa price, and then the price may drop down, because when this KS3 gonna show up, then they're gonna mine crazy amount of Kaspas every day that some miners probably gonna sell a lot, so that cost may change also down. I know, hopefully not, but look at the days, guys. At 30 Kaspa a day, that's only 80 cents a day. By the way, that's not including electricity, because I didn't count electrical here, because a very minor amount for 60 watts, but yes, we need to add that after we go to that such a small rate, 80 cents a day. Let's do times 30. Let's add another column and do the months. And we will have this equal times 30. So it's only 23 a month, and our miner actually KS0, my calculations, is using about, where is my KS0? About 20, that's for 2. So per one, about $10 with my rate, 17 cents. For 11 cents, it's $6 a month. So it's about $10 or $6. $6 if you're guys on 11 cents. 10 cents will be less. So go back here, $23 a month. So we pretty much gonna have half of that. So about So that means this ROI date is gonna double. So you guys gonna see this really dramatic change. Right now, $10 a month, it's nothing for the rewards we're getting because we are at 950, so, or 930. That it's crazy that it's like 742. So even if we deduct $10 from here for electrical cost, that's pretty much nothing. That's gonna give us another extra day or so. I mean, not even day, couple hours. Look. Half a day, right? $10. So half a day pays for electrical costs, so really nothing today. And that's gonna change a lot. So anyways, I hope you do a good research. Doing that for fun and for crypto. So looks like we're getting there slowly but surely. Hopefully we get ROI this year. If not, it will be another probably year and we'll collect some Kaspa. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.